Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you an evergreen niche that I found that will sell all year round. But before I share with you that niche, I just want to share with you my two print-on-demand courses I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch by Amazon. I'm running a end of the month sale. So for the next 2 weeks or so, it's going to be at only $9.99. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Redbubble, also 75% off. Both of these courses will be on sale for the next 2 weeks. So if you've been on the fence, you might want to consider giving them a try. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales, and I've made over $38,000 in royalties on the Merch by Amazon platform. And when we look at my credentials on Redbubble, we'll see that for the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000, with my best month being in June of 2022, where I did $317. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you today is an evergreen niche, and this niche will sell all year round. You'll see more of a spike in this niche during this month right now, when it's Black History Month, and also during graduation time. So like, May, June, things like that. And the niche is HBCU. And if we just do a quick Google search on what HBCU is, it's any historically Black college or university that was established prior to 1964. So it's basically just any historical Black college or university in the United States of America. And if we go to Amazon, we're going to see that there's only 509 results. This is what the designs look like. And actually, I got called out the other day, so let me just show the competition on the next page as well. Because if we scroll down, and if we go to page 2, we will see that the amount of results are still the same, 509. And let's just go back to the top here and take a look at what some of the designs look like. So you can see low in competition, and this niche is selling. Now again, this is a low competition evergreen niche, so the BSRs aren't going to be like super good, but you can see here, this one's pretty low, this one's pretty low. Majority of them are going to be in the millions, and there's a few ways that you can design for this. I probably wouldn't recommend that you just do like future HBC graduates. That's what everybody else is doing. What I would recommend is that, well, there's two ways. First, I'd recommend that you cross niche it with some type of like family demographic. So like, let me see if I can find a good one here that I think I saw earlier. I think it was right. Yeah, so you want to do something like this. So you basically want to do like a proud aunt of a future HBCU graduate. So you can do proud aunt, proud uncle, proud mom, proud dad, proud sister, proud brother, proud wife, proud husband. And so there's a whole bunch of designs right there that you can do. Another way that you can do this is you can cross niche it with the current year of 2023. So you could do like, HBCU graduate 2023, for example. There's also some other ways, you can also just do like, you could cross niche this with like the messy bun. You can also do it with the American flag. You might want to try like the groovy text that I always talk about. So those are a few ways that you can design for this niche. If we take a look and go to test to see if it's trademarked, type in HBCU, hit enter. We're going to see in my course, I actually teach you how to read and understand trademarks. So the first thing you want to do is just check for a registration number. And the only one that has one is vote HBCU. So you just avoid that. But first you'd have to check just to make sure that's in the 025 clothing t-shirt category. But as you can see, this niche is safe. There's no registration number, so all good there. If we go to Etsy or some of the other print-on-demand platforms, you're going to see that there's barely any competition. So HBCU shirt, only 276 results. So this would be very easy to get on the first page. We can see when you have this Evergreen extension, 107 monthly searches for that keyword. So that's pretty good. If we go to Redbubble, a little more competition on Redbubble like usual. So we're going to see about 5,000 results. Here again, you can see what some of the designs look like. And if we go to TeePublic I thought was pretty cool because you get some good ideas of how people are designing for this. So you can do like the word cloud. A lot of people are using this kind of like these triangles, red, gold, and green triangles. You'll see that again here. You see them again. One thing you also might want to consider doing is going to Create a Fabrica. And if you just go to Create a Fabrica and you type in HBCU, there's a whole bunch of t-shirt designs and clip art that we can use for our t-shirts for Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand websites. One thing I have to mention though is you have to at least understand how the licensing works. So I just clicked on one right here. If you want to just take the design and just upload it as is onto Merch by Amazon or the print on demand platforms, you want to make sure that says commercial and full POD usage allowed. If it just says commercial, like this one right here, just commercial usage allowed, you can't just upload it as is. You have to use it as clip art. Like you have to add in some other type of image, another some more clip art, some more text. You can't just upload it as is if it says commercial usage allowed. But if it says commercial and full POD usage allowed, then you can just upload it as is. So these ones would be fine to use. Now I do have an affiliate link for Creative Fabrica in the description. If you go to my YouTube video and you scroll down in the description, you're going to see my favorite POD tools, and then you have this Creative Fabrica link right here. It is an affiliate link, so if you click or if you sign up with them, I do get a kickback. Right now, Creative Fabrica has a deal where you pay like $59 and you get access to all of their t-shirt designs, all of their clip art, all of their fonts, a whole bunch of good stuff. They even have courses on here. I didn't even know about that. They have a POD section, but it breaks down only $5 a month. I've really been liking these guys. If you're like, don't really like designing or you don't like hiring designers, then you might want to take a look at these guys. But this is basically going to be the niche for today. It's the HBCU. You can see it's low in competition on pretty much all platforms, so it could be a good one for you. You're going to see sales for this niche during February and during graduation time. But like I said, that's going to be it for this video. If you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. Put out videos on a regular basis about like trending niches or just evergreen niches, design ideas to hopefully get you some sales on all the print-on-demand platforms. If you're looking for more ideas for merch, you might want to check out some of my other videos. There's some good ones here that I have. I just put out one this morning, I believe. Actually, no, this is going to be yesterday morning, so I'm going to put this one out tomorrow. But yeah, so consider subscribing. And also, if you're struggling to get sales on merch by Amazon or Redbubble, you might want to consider signing up to the course. Remember, it's on a discount for the next 2 weeks. And I also just want to thank everybody that's also been purchasing the courses as well. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.